Good morning, dear student. I am Mandeep Sani, and today I am here with a new AV assignment. In this assignment, we will do practice. As you know that our second terminal examination is going to start from 21 of September. So I have stopped your syllabus, and from today's onwards, I'm going to start your revision, right? So without wasting our time, I think we should start. I'm going to start with the question answers first. Dear student, there is no need to write this work on your fair notebook, but if you want to go with the practice, then write this work on your rough notebook for practice, right? I'm going to discuss the question answers of some lessons today, but rest of the work I'm going to continue in the next assignment. Our first question is, what is the name of the octopus? What is the name of the octopus? Dear student, I have taken 30% from the last syllabus and 70% from the second term, right? So the first question is, what is the name of the octopus? Answer is, the name of the octopus is Oliver. What is the name of the octopus? The name of the octopus is Oliver. O-L-I, Oliver. It's Oliver. What is the name of the octopus? The name of the octopus is Oliver, right? Number second is, name the famous last song that Ollie sings. Here you have to write the last song that Ollie sings. Name the famous last song that Ollie sings. Answer is, his famous song is Tunna Got Caned. His famous song is Tunna Got Caned, right? You have to revise this name, right? What is the name the famous last song that Ollie sing? His famous song is Tunna Got Caned. Number third is, what happened to the soldier? What happened to the soldier? Answer is, he did not see the stone. You have already studied this lesson, right? So you know the answer very well. What happened to the soldier? He did not see the stone. He did not see the stone. He tripped and fell. He tripped and fell, right? Tripped means stumbled, right? He tripped. T-R-I-P-P-E-D, it's tripped, right? He did not see the stone. He tripped and fell. What happened to the soldier? He did not see the stone. He tripped and fell, right? Fourth question is, why was the carpenter's daughter tied? Why was the carpenter's daughter tied? कारपेंटर की डॉटर थक क्यों गई थी? She was tired because she was too tired because वो बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई थी. She was too tired because she had been working since early morning. Because she had been working since early morning. वो बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई थी क्योंकि वो बहुत मॉर्निंग की सुबह से ही काम कर रही थी. वो अर्ली मॉर्निंग से काम कर रही थी. She was too tired because she had been working since early morning. वो बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई थी क्योंकि वो सुबह से काम कर रही थी, right? Number 6 is, what kind of leaves did the little pine tree have? What kind of leaves did little pine tree have? It had long, green, needle-like leaves. जो पाइन ट्री था उसके leaves कैसे थे? What kind of leaves did little pine tree have? Answer is, it had long, green, needle-like leaves. उसके leaves लंबे, green और सुइयों जैसे तीखे थे, right? It had long, green, needle-like leaves. What must we believe in? What must we believe in? We must believe in love and peace. What must we believe in? हमें किस में विश्वास रखना चाहिए? We must believe in love and peace. हमें प्यार and peace means शांति. P-E-A-C-E, peace. We must believe in love and peace. हमें प्यार and शांति में विश्वास रखना चाहिए. What is the akin amongst us? What is the akin amongst us? Our dreams are akin amongst us, right? What is the akin amongst us? Our dreams are akin amongst us, right? So that's all about the question answer, and the rest of the question answer I will cover in the next assignment, right? So till then, take care, bye bye.